What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here at MGM Classic Cars. And man, oh man, talk about class. We have a 1960 Cadillac Coupe DeVille here today, and man, is this thing classy. 390 V8. Tons of power to get this thing down the road. This car is absolutely huge, which is what makes it so great. Look at those iconic fins. Man, this thing's classy. This is sort of what started the two-door luxury coupe craze. One of the pioneers of it. I mean, this car was so ahead of its time. This car was redone in a nice red paint. Beautifully done. White interior. White wall tires. Man, I just can't get over how classy this thing is. Just look at that. Plenty of back seat space. This car just rides like a cloud. Power windows. Wipers. Start it up here. Show you the power windows. They work. Oh, you hear that 390 V8? Sounds great. Let you see the engine while it's running. All the body panels, they line up absolutely great. The glass is in pretty good shape. There's a chip in the glass right there. But other than that, I mean, it's in really good shape. This car actually has plenty of power from the factory because this car was so heavy. They need to put an engine in it that can just be able to move it down the road. But it's probably one of the classiest cars ever made and one of the most iconic American cars. I mean, when you think of a Cadillac, this is one of the cars I would think of. Sounds just great. You got your original radio there. It's pretty simple in here, but the way they designed it was pretty impressive. I'm gonna close the hood for all of you so you can see the beauty of this thing with the hood closed. Man, what a beautiful car. Just take a second there to admire it. You don't see these every day, that's for sure. If you're interested in this beauty, you could visit mgmclassiccars.com and see photos of it and more of our inventory, or call 847-848-1850. We are located in Addison, Illinois. This is just one of our warehouses. We have around 250 cars. We offer special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. I hope to see all of you checking out our inventory, and some of you coming over here to MGM Classic Cars to check out this beautiful 1960 Cadillac, because you don't see these every day, and who knows how many of these things are left. Everyone have a great day. Thank you for watching. We all appreciate it here at MGM Classic Cars. Like our Facebook channel, YouTube channel, all the social medias. Like the video. Stay tuned, because we got new inventory coming in all the time. It's been a pleasure. Everyone have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.